Next question. Electrostatic potential at a point due to an electric dipole. Very important 5-mark question. Want to find the potential, electrostatic potential at a point due to an electric dipole. Want to find the potential. If we consider the dipole means negative charge and positive charge separate in the 2a distance, a plus a, 2a distance. If we consider on point P, from the center of the dipole to point P R, and positive charge to point P R1 and negative charge to point P R2. Here the angle between positive charge and P is theta. Here remaining angle 180 minus theta. Actually this line fully 180. So here theta means remaining angle 180 minus theta. If we consider AB as the two charges, now want to find the total potential of the given system. Total potential, how to calculate it? First calculate the potential from positive charge to P, V1. Next V2 potential want to find minus Q2 P. Then you have to add both potential, you will get total potential. First we find the V1 value. V1 is equal to, already you know the formula, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. General formula, V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Here R1, so distant R1, V1. Next V2 is equal to second potential 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R2, but here V2 is a negative charge, so it will become minus Q. So now want to find the total potential. V is equal to V1 plus V2. So V is equal to V1 value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R1 minus plus minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R2. Here Q by 4 pi epsilon naught you take outside, inside 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So this is the equation number 1. So now want to find 1 by R1 and 1 by R2, then substitute the value, you will get total potential. Now how to calculate 1 by R1 and 1 by R2? First, applying cosine law. What is cosine law? First you take a OBP, this triangle, A, one side A, another side R1 and third side R. So by using cosine law is nothing but R1 square is equal to R square plus A square minus 2RA cos, here angle theta, so cos theta. This is the cosine law. So how to take cosine law? If we consider R1 square is equal to R square A square minus 2RA cos theta. It's a formula, cosine formula, 2RA cos, here theta, so cos theta. Here, now R square take outside 1, R square take outside 1. Here there is no R square, so divided by R square minus 2RA cos theta, here 2A cos theta by R. So if you multiply inside R square into 1, R square into A square, R square cancel, A square, R square into 2A cos theta, 1R cancel, 2RA cos theta. So there is no change in value. So R1 square is equal to R square, 1 plus A square by R square minus. Here the R square means is a R square, the distance between the center of the dipole to P, that is R. A means the distance between the two charges, that is very very small. So A is very 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 small than R. So A square is neglected. A square is neglected, so it will become A square by R square neglected, it will become R1 square is equal to R square 1 minus 2A cos theta by R. So want to find 1 by R1. So first R1 we need to find. The square you take this side root. You take root, square will come to right hand side, root. It will become root. So R square, root R square, R 1 minus 2a cos theta by R whole power 1 by 2. Because root 1 by 2. So want to find 1 by R1. So 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R into 1 minus 2a cos theta by R 1 by 2. Actually this is R1 value. 1 by R means 1 divided by whole value. So this bracket value will move to numerator. So 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R. This bracket value move to numerator. So 1 minus 2a cos theta by R whole power minus 1 by 2. So very important, 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R, 1 minus 2a cos theta by R whole power minus 1. Here applying binomial theorem. Binomial theorem. From 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R 1 minus 2a cos theta by R whole power minus 1. Very simple. How to apply the binomial theorem? This minus 1 by 2 multiply here. So it will become 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R 1 minus into minus plus 2a cos theta by R. This is the equation number 2. This is the 1 by R1. Similarly 1 by R2 want to find. So you take another you take this side, R2 want to find. So R2 square, applying cosine law, R2 square is equal to R square plus a square minus 2RA cos 180 minus theta. Here 180 minus theta because of this angle 180 minus theta. So already you know that one cos 180 minus theta is nothing but minus cos theta. So it will become R2 square is equal to R square plus a square cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta minus into minus plus 2RA cos theta. See again same method, R2 square, R square you take outside, R square is equal to 1 plus a square by R square plus 2a cos theta by R. So again a square by R square is neglected because of a is very less than R. So a square by R square neglected, R2 square is equal to R square 1 plus 2a cos theta by R. So want to find R2, R2 is equal to, it takes root R 1 plus 2a cos theta by R whole power 1 by 2. So here want to find 1 by R2. So 1 by R, that bracket will come to denominator, that denominator will come to numerator. So similarly the 1 plus 2a cos theta by R whole power minus 1 by 2. So now applying binomial theorem. 1 by R2 is equal to 1 by R. Binomial theorem means you multiply here, you can easily calculate the binomial theorem. 1 plus into minus minus 2 cancel. So here also 2 cancel. So 2 will not come here because of minus into minus plus 2, this 2 cancel, a cos theta by R. Here also 2 cancel, a cos theta by R. So this is equation number 3. Here only difference is here plus, here minus. Now you want to substitute total potential. V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Already know that one. Substitute here. So V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R1 value 1 by R 1 plus 2A cos theta by R, A cos theta by R minus 1 by R2 value 1 by R 1 minus A cos theta by R.